Hey guys, how are you? Today we are going to make Indian style veg pasta. So the ingredients are carrot, capsicum, tomatoes, onions, corianders. So first of all, I took a separate container in which I boiled my pasta for 8 minutes, in which I used 2 cups of water and 1 cup of pasta. So first of all, I took a separate container in which I put some 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add some more ingredients in this, like we can say onions. Guys, when your onion becomes light brown, you can add some ingredients like capsicum, carrots, and some tomatoes. Then we want to mix it well. Then we will add some remaining water of pasta. So I use 2 cups of water. So this water is remaining. It's an optional. You can use your fresh water too. If you are using this water, so just wash your pasta 2 or 3 times and then you can use it. Then I will add some pasta masala. We don't need a salt. If you love your pasta too salty or you love salt, you can add it. It's optional because this ingredient, this is a spice of pasta masala. It consists of all, so we don't need it. If you love it, you can add salt. If you don't, it's okay. It's optional. And then we want to mix it well. You can see the water is too less, so I'm adding more water in this. Maybe 1 cup of warm water. And then guys, I will add some coriander in this. Coriander is an awesome thing. If you're using in this recipe, it's awesome because the coriander is the thing we tell in Hindi kotmir, and it is added in dal or maybe our ingredients. It gives the best flavor. So it's an optional. If you love it, you can add it. So I added my 1 cup of pasta in this, and I'm leaving this ingredient maybe for 5 to 6 minutes. It will take some 5 to 6 minutes on a low flame. So that's it. I'll meet you in some time. Guys, you can see the water is boiling, and we want to cover our container with a lid. So I will meet you in few minutes. So guys, you can see the water is boiling too much, and I think so I put my pasta on a high flame. If you want your pasta to be more tasty, more creamy, so please put your pasta on a low flame and just cook it, because you can see from a one hand I'm holding my video and from another hand I'm cooking. You can see it. So that's it, and I'm just cooking on the fast because you can get I want to make this video too short, hence that's the reason I'm making it. You can add more vegetables like if you love some cabbage or some sweet corns or some green peas. Okay, so I'll meet you sometime, guys. So guys, I think so the pasta is ready. It will take more time. I think so the water is absorbed in the pasta, you can see, and I'm trying my best. Yeah. So I like to have pasta in a soft manner. Some guys like the medium pasta, or they love 50% made or 50% not made, we can say. यानी कच्चा पक्का हर किसी को पसंद आता है. So I'm just done a high flame. I was cooking on a low flame, you can see. Then I gone for high flame because uh, it will take some time, I think so, to absorb the water. And hence my pasta just gone broken. But yeah, it's not that perfect video, but I think so the taste will be fantastic. So I will meet you in a while. So guys, the pasta is ready. As you can see, I added some coriander because if you do not add coriander in your food now, so your food taste is not that great or high, we can say. So this is my pasta. I love to have soft pasta, hence my pasta is just broken down into pieces. You can see it, but it is just delicious because I don't want a perfect life. I want a happy life, and I don't like things in a perfect order or in a manner, but I tried my best to make it. So if you like this video, if you love this content, like, share, and subscribe my channel for more updates. More recipes are coming soon. Still then, thanks for watching. Love you all, guys. Bye. Take care. But this pasta is awesome. You can try it. You can have this pasta in your snacks or breakfast or whatever. You can do. So bye guys. Love you all.